Welcome to a world where dirt and grime don't stand a chance. Get ready to uncover the ultimate cleaning power as we dive into the realm of the best pressure washers. In this video, we'll explore the top-notch options that will revolutionize your cleaning experience. Whether you're tackling stubborn stains, reviving your outdoor space, or maintaining your vehicles, we've got you covered. Say goodbye to manual scrubbing and hello to effortless cleaning. Join us on this high-pressure adventure as we unveil the machines that will make your cleaning tasks a breeze. At the first position of our list, we have the SIMPSON Cleaning MS3000 125 MegaShot gas pressure washer, your ultimate solution for tackling tough outdoor cleaning tasks with ease. This robust and high-performance pressure washer is designed to meet the demands of both homeowners and professionals. At the heart of this powerhouse is a reliable Honda GC 190 engine, known for its durability and efficiency. With a maximum pressure output of 3,200 psi at a flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute (GPM), the MegaShot can blast away dirt, grime, and even stubborn stains from surfaces like driveways, sidewalks, decks, and vehicles. The welded steel frame and 10-inch premium pneumatic tires make it easy to maneuver on various terrains, ensuring stability and durability. Its compact design allows for convenient storage and transport. The MegaShot comes equipped with a 25-foot Morflex hose that is kink and abrasion resistant, providing flexibility and durability for extended reach. It also includes a reliable OEM axial cam pump with a maintenance-free design for hassle-free operation. With its 5 quick connect nozzle tips, you can easily adjust the spray pattern to suit the task at hand, whether it's a gentle rinse or a high-powered blast. The ergonomic spray gun and safety lock ensure comfortable and safe operation. Moving on to the next at number 2 with DEWALT DWALT 2400 electric pressure washer. The DEWALT DWALT 2400 electric pressure washer is your go-to solution for efficient and effective outdoor cleaning. Whether you're tackling a dirty deck, grimy siding, or a mud-caked vehicle, this electric pressure washer has the power and versatility to handle it all. Powered by a robust 13-amp electric motor, the DWALT 2400 delivers a maximum pressure of 2,400 psi, pounds per square inch, and a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute (GPM). This combination of pressure and flow ensures that dirt, grime, and stains are no match for your cleaning prowess. Equipped with a 25-foot high-pressure hose, this pressure washer offers excellent reach and flexibility, allowing you to clean even hard-to-reach areas. The ergonomic spray gun and wand make it comfortable to use for extended periods, reducing user fatigue. The DWALT 2400 features a detergent tank that holds up to 1.2 liters of cleaning solution, enabling you to easily apply soap to surfaces for a deeper clean. It also comes with 5 quick connect nozzles, allowing you to adjust the spray pattern to suit your cleaning task, from a gentle rinse to a focused jet. The number 3 position is held by Sunjo SPX 3014.5 amp electric high-pressure washer. When it comes to high-pressure cleaning, the Sunjo SPX 3000 electric pressure washer is a top contender. This versatile and powerful tool is designed to make outdoor cleaning tasks a breeze, from your patio and driveway to your vehicles and more. The SPX 3000 is driven by a robust 14.5 amp motor that generates up to 2030 psi of pressure at a flow rate of 1.76 gallons per minute (GPM). This impressive combination of power and water flow ensures that even the most stubborn dirt and grime are effortlessly removed. One of the standout features of this pressure washer is its dual detergent tanks, each capable of holding 0.9 liters of cleaning solution. This allows you to switch between different detergents on the fly, making it ideal for various cleaning applications. The 20-foot high-pressure hose provides ample reach, and the 34-inch extension wand allows you to clean high and low areas without straining your back. The SPX 3000 also includes 5 quick connect spray nozzles, ranging from a gentle 40-degree wide spray to a powerful 0-degree pinpoint jet. Operating the SPX 3000 is simple, thanks to the Total Stop System (TSS) that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, prolonging the life of the pump and saving energy. The 35-foot power cord offers extended reach, so you can move free while cleaning. Next at number 4 we have Generac 6565 4200 PSI 4.0 GPM gas-powered pressure washer. For those who demand nothing but the best in outdoor cleaning power, the Generac 6565 gas-powered pressure washer is the ultimate choice. With its robust performance and rugged construction, it's designed to tackle the toughest cleaning tasks with ease. At the heart of the Generac 6565 is a powerful 420 kW Generac OHV engine, known for its reliability and durability. This engine delivers an astounding 4,200 psi of pressure and an impressive 4.0 gallons per minute (GPM) of water flow, making it perfect for professionals and homeowners with large cleaning projects. The welded steel frame with a folding handle and never flat wheels ensures stability and easy transport. The compact design allows for convenient storage when not in use. This gas-powered pressure washer features a 50-foot steel-reinforced hose, providing ample reach for cleaning expansive areas. The professional-grade spray gun with a cushion grip and easy-to-pull trigger ensures comfortable and precise control. The number 5 position is held by Craftsman CME 2000 100 electric pressure washer. The Craftsman CME 2000 100 electric pressure washer is your trusted companion for tackling a wide range of outdoor cleaning tasks. Whether you need to remove dirt and grime from your patio, driveway, or vehicle, this pressure washer has the power and versatility to get the job done efficiently. Powered by a 13-amp electric motor, the CME 2000 100 delivers a maximum pressure of 2,100 psi, pounds per square inch, and a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute, GPM. This combination of pressure and water flow ensures thorough cleaning without damaging surfaces. With a 20-foot high-pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord, you have ample reach to clean various areas without constantly unplugging and moving the unit. The ergonomic spray gun and wand provide comfortable control during extended cleaning sessions. The CME 2000 100 comes with a soap applicator that allows you to apply detergent for deeper cleaning, and includes 4 quick connect nozzles, ranging from a gentle 40-degree spray for sensitive surfaces to a powerful 0-degree jet for tough stains. Moving on to the next at number 6 with DEWALT 2000 100 electric pressure washer. When it comes to tackling outdoor cleaning tasks with precision and power, the DEWALT 2000 100 electric pressure washer is your trusted companion. This compact and efficient pressure washer is designed to make your cleaning chores a breeze. Equipped with a 13-amp electric motor, the DEWALT 2000 100 delivers a maximum pressure of 2,100 psi, pounds per square inch, and a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute, GPM. This balanced combination of pressure and water flow ensures effective cleaning without causing damage to surfaces. The 20-foot high-pressure hose provides ample reach for cleaning various areas, and the ergonomic spray gun and wand ensure comfortable control during extended use. The pressure washer also includes 4 quick connect nozzles, allowing you to adjust the spray pattern to suit different cleaning tasks. Finally, the number 7 position is dominated by RYOBI 40 VHP 1500 PSI 1.2 GPM pressure washer. Introducing the RYOBI 40 VHP 1500 PSI 1.2 GPM pressure washer, the cordless solution to all your outdoor cleaning needs. This portable and efficient pressure washer is powered by RYOBI's 40V lithium-ion battery platform, offering you the freedom to clean without the constraints of cords or fuel. With a maximum pressure output of 1500 psi and a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute, GPM, this pressure washer is perfect for a wide range of cleaning tasks, including decks, patios, vehicles, and more. It's compact and easy to transport, making it ideal for on-the-go cleaning. The 20-foot high-pressure hose provides ample reach, and the included 36V lithium-ion battery ensures extended runtime, allowing you to tackle larger cleaning projects without interruption. The RYOBI 40 VHP pressure washer features a 3-in-1 nozzle that allows you to easily switch between turbo, 15-degree, and soap spray patterns, adapting to the specific cleaning job at hand. The onboard detergent tank simplifies the soap application process, ensuring a thorough clean. And there you have it, folks. We've unveiled the absolute best pressure washers that are ready to take on the toughest cleaning challenges.
If you enjoy this video, please like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.